Hello friends, today I will show you how to make a hexagonal prism, right? For hexagonal prism you need 6 rectangles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You need 6 rectangles. We have taken the rectangles as this is 6 centimeter and this is 13 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter, 13, 6 centimeter, 13 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 13 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 13 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 13 centimeter, right? That means we have taken 6 rectangles having length as 13 centimeter and breadth as 6 centimeter. Besides that, we have taken 2 hexagon. Here you see, one is hexagon means regular hexagon types, 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also you see, there are 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the length of this side is 6 centimeter. Now you have to know how to make a regular hexagon, right? You have to know how to make a regular hexagon. Now you see, here we have taken we will show you how to make a regular hexagon. Here you see, here we have taken, here you see, we have taken a circle having radius 6 centimeter. Here you see, here you see, we've taken a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Here you see, this is 6 centimeter. We've taken a circle of radius 6 centimeter, right? And with this radius, you see this radius, make an angle of 60 degree here, 60 degree, right? And you 60 degree and join this one and join this side. That means you are getting an equilateral triangle having 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. Therefore, you get this is 6 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter, right? Again, take an angle of 60 degree again, right? Then this is again 6 centimeter, and this side is 6 centimeter. Again, take 60 degree. This side, join this one, and this one, right? And you will get 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 equilateral triangle. Again, you make a 60 degree. You will get 60 degree here, 60 degree here, and the side as 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Again, make an angle of 60 degree, right? Then you are getting 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and this is 6 centimeter. Again, you make an angle of 60 degree and join this one, right? You'll get 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Now you see how many sides you are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And cut along this side, this side, this side, this side, this side, this side, and this side. That means in this way you can make a hexagon, regular hexagon. Here you see, we have made this regular hexagon. You see, this one is the regular hexagon. And here you can see that this is 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. This is also 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. This is also 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. And this angle is 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. These are all equilateral triangle having side 6 centimeter. That means you have to make 2 hexagon like this to make a hexagonal prism, right? 2 hexagon. Now with this rectangle, we have taken 6 rectangle. Here see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? 6 rectangles. And the length we have taken is 6 centimeter. And this as breadth is 6 centimeter and length is 13 centimeter. Now with this rectangle, you can make a hexagonal prism. How? Like this. Right? Now, with this sellotape, you can use this sellotape here. right? Again you make the base also like this. You see, in this way you can make a regular hexagon very easily. But you have to follow the procedure in which I made this hexagonal prism. Here you see, you already made this hexagonal prism very easily. Now you see, this is our hexagonal prism, right? And with this hexagonal prism, with colored paper, you see, we have taken this colored paper, right? With colored paper, you can make this hexagonal prism very beautiful, right? Now I will show you the various properties of hexagonal prism, right? Now here you see, this is our hexagonal prism, right? And in hexagonal prism, you will see how many surfaces are there. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and the base. There are 8 surfaces in a hexagonal prism. Again count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and the base. 8. There are 8 surfaces in a hexagonal prism. How many vertices there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 vertices in a hexagonal prism. How many edges are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 18 edges in this hexagonal prism, right? Dear friends, in this way you can make an hexagonal prism very easily. For that you need 2 hexagons, 1 and the base 2, and there are rectangles. You have to take 6 rectangles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have taken the hexagon, regular hexagon, as side as 6 cm, right? And the length of this rectangle we have taken is 13 cm, and the base is and the breadth is 6 cm. In this way, you can make a hexagon very easily. You see, we make this hexagon very easily. In this way, you can make the regular hexagonal prism, right? In this way, you can make a regular hexagonal prism, right? Let us again find the properties and what you need. You need 2 hexagons, 1 and 2, and you need rectangles, 6 rectangles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This hexagon we have taken is side of this hexagon as 6 cm, 6 cm, 6 cm, 6 cm, 6 cm and 6 cm, right? And we told you how to make a regular hexagon, right? We already told you how to make a regular hexagon, right? And you want to know, if you want to know again, let us again describe this one. First, take a circle of radius 6 cm, right? 6 cm. This 6 cm, take a circle and join this radius. And with this radius, you take an angle of 60 degree. right, and join this one. Then you will get an equilateral triangle having 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree, and get this side also 66 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and this is also 6 centimeter. Again, you take 60 degree, you will get 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Again, you take 60 degree, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Again, you take 60 degree, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Again, you take 60 degree, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Again, you take 60 degree, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and cut along this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right? In this way, you can make a hexagon. Right? And you made 2 regular hexagon, 1 and the base 2, and you need 6 rectangle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this way, you can make a regular hexagonal prism. Right? In this way, you can make a regular hexagonal prism. Right? And let us take the properties again. How many surfaces are there? Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 surfaces in a hexagonal prism. How many edges? How many vertices are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? Again we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 vertices in hexagonal prism. Right? And how many edges are there? Let us count edge also. Edge number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 18 edges in a hexagonal prism. Right? In this way, you can make an hexagonal prism very easily, and also you find how we made the use of properties of hexagonal prism. Dear friends, if you like this video, please, and with colored paper, here you see, with this colored paper, you can make this hexagonal prism very beautiful. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.